So we are back inside of my shop that I have set up inside of a storage unit. And if you guys remember the first video I made on this whole shop setup, I have everything in here for around $500, and I have added a couple more things so that we can paint the Z. So up first, we have two decent sized space heaters. And the reason I have these is because, I don't know if you can see it, but it is very cold here. It's sub-zero, not sub-zero. It's sub-freezing. And with painting a car, you need it to be warm. You need the metal to be warm. You just need a warm environment for the paint to adhere right. Also, I like being comfortable, so I'm not mad that I had to buy these. Now, these are rated for a 300 square foot room, and the storage unit is around 750 square feet. So these are gonna be struggling a little bit, but I think it should get the job done, especially inside of our paint. While we let everything cook and warm up inside the storage unit, let's go ahead and get everything else out the truck and inside so I can show you what it is. Let's talk about the goods. So up first, I'm gonna get the biggest thing out the way. I got a 20-gallon oil lubed vertical air compressor. I got it from Harbor Freight. It's like 200 bucks. I needed one, so I got one. Also, I've been wanting one for a long time, so I figured why not get one now? Up next, we have the 3/8 inch PVC air hose. This is just what supplies the air. I'm pretty sure you guys know what this does. And then that leads us to our cheap little high volume, low pressure, gravity fed air gun, spray gun. The gun that I use to paint the car. Originally, these were like 14, 16 bucks, somewhere around there. But I wanted one with the pressure regulator. I don't know why I wanted one with the pressure regulator. I just know that I wanted one. So I bought this one for $30 and called it a day. I got two respirators, one for me and one for anybody who's gonna be in the shop working with me. We have a cleaner for the engine bay, primer, and finally, the paint for the engine bay. This color is absolutely crazy. It is Cosmic Gold from Tropical Glitz, and I am absolutely in love with it. Now that I've shown everything, I'm gonna start putting it all together. I'm thinking I'm probably gonna have to come out to the unit tomorrow and finish out this video. So last night we got pretty much everything put together for our paint system. We got the compressor put together, we got the hose put together, but I did forget to get this coupler to connect the paint gun to the hose. So I dropped by Harbor Freight today and I grabbed this, and the last thing we need to do before putting it all together and actually starting the prep and paint of the car is to clean the gun out using this spray gun cleaner.
So I ain't got no patience, caught in situations. I just wanna make it, no I ain't mistaken. I ain't sitting waiting, caught up in the matrix, in my own world. So my space for you is vacant. Rolls Royce emblems on my fucking whips. Benji stay blue like they banging crib. Mouth in pain, BB's cut my lip. Rich nigga problems, that's just how I live. Came up from the bottom, but it taught him, you can't make it. Now that I'm up out the city, bitches getting naked. Songs up on their playlist.
Oh! Why is it sweet? That is not sweet. Ugh. It shot out the hole back into my mouth. That was nasty. And my mouth was open because I had my concentration face on. God dang it. Mouth open, tongue out, and everything. Glad you find it funny.
So I ain't got no patience, caught in situations. I just wanna make it, no I ain't mistaken. I ain't sitting waiting, caught up in the matrix, in my own world. So my space for you is vacant.
Okay, so we're wire wheeling, right? What we're going for mainly with the wire wheeling is places where you see rust, like rust that's like you can kind of pull it off, it's flaking a little bit, it's kind of crusty. Target those the most. We don't need to get the rust gone because I have a treatment for that. We just need to at least glaze over the rust.
Okay.
And then, honestly, just kind of go over everything. Not really.
I'm doing this?
Yes, we're both doing it. Uh-huh.
Do I have to wear this?
I would recommend it so you're not breathing in the metal particles. Okay, I'm gonna have you use the drill because you can adjust its speed to whatever you're comfortable with. And then I'll use the angle grinder because that one's just gonna blast it all off.
Whoa.
I'm so cold, I'm on quarantine. Money so blue, I'm on quarantine. I been so bad, she on quarantine. I'm so fast, I'm on quarantine. Quarantine.
We tripped the switch.
I'm so cold, I'm on quarantine. Money so blue, I'm on quarantine. I been so bad, she on quarantine. I'm so fast, I'm on quarantine. 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 These niggas can't ignore me. Quarantine. Quarantine. These niggas can't ignore me. Hold up, diamonds so cold. Nigga need a wire on house. Wrist so froze. I can even leave my home. I can even leave my chrome. I can even see my hoe. I can even open my door. I just gotta count my dough. Bitch so bloody, need glasses. You see all these snakes in the grass. And if I move like I'm molasses, I don't have snakes on my ass. I can inject through the
So I do have to cut the goddamn master cylinder hole.
Why?
Because it's not in here. It's not. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. We're fine. We're fine. That totally doesn't fuck up a lot of shit. So now, there we go with that. Now we gotta clean everything up.
What is it?
Cleaner?
Brake cleaner?
No, it's just like prep cleaner. So now, we're gonna hit on this brush reformer. Spray's all clear, but dries black.
I'm a big for real, so you can't tell me I'm not that guy. You're not even amigos, so you can't hop up in my ride.
Did you say how long it takes to dry? 2 to 3 hours. I should have just done the primer instead.
Done the what?
Huh?
Done the what?
What?
Done the what?
I should have just done the primer instead.
Well, now you won't have rest.
All right, so we finished the rest reformer. It's all dry. I left for a couple hours and got my generator so I could have both of my heaters running at the same time. And now it's time for the primer. So we're gonna get this all nice and black, and then we'll come back over it with the cosmic gold paint.
Yeah, I'm in this bitch myself, the dog. 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 Don't touch me, bitch, I'm touching the ride. My bitch better bitch like Nicki Minaj. This is the ghost, thought he seen him ride. Right that smoke got me up in the sky. This that shit the fans bump. This that shit that get you drunk. This that shit that get you right. 93, I came with finna fly. I just got back from the school with the guys. Got to the crib with the face tonight. Got me a shirt so I got a little fly. Want a new fit, but I'm too damn high. Yeah, I say fucking yeah. Bitch, I'm too damn high, little bitch.
Wow!
I'm so glad I didn't trust the O'Reilly's guy. He said it was only gonna take 1 can of paint. Primer, this is actually primer. So it's pretty evident that we're gonna need to do some prioritization here. I'm thinking I'm gonna focus on the inside and the visible parts of the engine bay first, and whatever's left can go in the wheel wells and other places. Cause I don't think this extra can is enough. So that was all the primer we had. I'm not mad at it though. I got all of the main points of the engine bay completely covered in solid, minus some of the wheel wells, but that's okay. That is okay. We can move on to paint once this dries. All right, the primer is dry and it is time to get our paint prepped. And by prepped, I mean shaken up because it is ready to spray paint. And this color is absolutely beautiful.
Blicks, sticks, choppers, bowls, bad bitch, go, blicks, sticks, choppers, bowls, bad bitches, they don't go. Blicks, sticks, choppers, bowls, bad bitches, they don't go. Blicks, sticks, choppers.
Oh, we already got drips. Oh no. There we go.
Stay on that, 100,000 cash and we play on that, yeah. Counter rack, me and my niggas gon' counter stack, yeah. Handle that, my little nigga gon' handle that, yeah. Sticks, choppers, hoes, bad bitches, they don't go. Bricks, sticks, choppers, hoes, bad bitches, they don't go. Bricks, sticks, choppers, hoes, bad bitches, they don't go. Blicks, sticks, choppers, poles, bad bitches, they don't go. Bring that cup, that be spike. BBL&DRUG, my kryptonite. Funny ass nigga. Stay top tough, jump money ass nigga. You bitch like my drip, old bummy ass nigga. Scummy ass nigga. You bottom of the barrel, dummy ass nigga. You pops for lit, old crummy ass nigga. Yeah, garments on my body, draw here. I can keep on looking, it's a sin. Spoke about a wife, but just the hit. I like the way she doing that bit. BBL&DRUG, drop me in. For this cup, my love never end. BBL&DRUG for the win. Y'all that fast ass whip and slide. My dog get money for show that ride. All of my dogs roll guns tonight. Learn my words and eyes tight. Bring that cup, better be spike. BBL&DRUG, my kryptonite. Fuck what they saying, trying to get right. Badass bitch gotta have my sight. Yeah. Y'all that fast ass whip and slide. My dogs get money for show that ride. All of my dogs roll guns tonight. Learn my words and eyes tight. Bring that cup, better be spike. BBL&DRUG, my kryptonite. Fuck what they saying, trying to get right. Badass bitch gotta have my sight. Yeah.
And just like that, we are completely out of paint. Yeah, we're completely out. Wow, that is a crazy color though. So I just sprayed a bunch of paint gun cleaner in this to kind of flush it out. I'm gonna clean the gun real quick and then I'm gonna go home because that is all the paint I have.
All right, so unfortunately we've hit our stopping point, and this is what our somewhat finalized product looks like. Now I'm not sure if the camera's picking it up, but the flake in this paint job is absolutely crazy. Now I was stupid and I didn't order near enough paint. So the next time we're here, we're gonna paint the interior, the cage, and more of the engine bay because we haven't finished it yet. This is not a finished product. I want everything to be a solid color instead of having an insane amount of drip and a really concentrated mass there, and then like kind of faded black there. I think you guys are getting where I'm going with this. So we're gonna order more paint and then we're gonna regroup, finish the engine bay, do the roll cage, and the interior, all of the interior in one go. So if you guys liked the video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. And if you didn't like the video, comment and let me know what I did wrong. See you guys.
3 5s, blunts, gas, I smoke. 2 2 3 5 5 6 4 5s where I told. No, I can't fuck with a net ass. If that bitch ass ain't poker, yo. Know that I keep me a 10 on my side. I treat a bitch like she a Tokyo. Asian bitch from Tokyo. What's my strand is dosey dough.